Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Nokia G22 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to tap on backup and as you can see we will be automatically transferred to this Google One section. So let's tap on add account. Of course, you will be able to simply pick the Google account if you've got it currently added to your device. So you will not have to go through the whole operation again. What is more, be aware that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and for some reason, as you can see, I cannot, but I've got the internet connection, so let's try again. Alright, it worked. So from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before, because after tapping on the next, your device will autofill the part after the @ symbol. So right now I have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. And then let's tap on I agree. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so you're able to use 15 GB of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will backup the data automatically, of course, will store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on. And here we've got the backup storage, backup section. Basically here you can check how much space you've got left. Here you've got the backup details, so the apps, photos and videos, etc. And here we've got also the advanced settings, and to be honest I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, so don't do anything here, because thanks to this you can be sure that you will not be charged for reaching the limit of the mobile data, etc. So to finish everything, tap on backup now, and as you can see your device is backing up the data. So basically that's all. This is how to enable the Google backup in your Nokia G22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.